He's in the corner.
Oh no.
Oh! It's gotta be it. One, two. What? What?
Of course I kick out.
How? How is he still in this?
How is he not dead?
SB Lightning's got to watch out, so I think Shakespeare's done. This could be it. Spear connects, gets him. Shakespeare with the pin. Two. Shakespeare's done it. Shakespeare has done it.
What a ridiculous match. That was ridiculous.
Whatever.
Oh, we have finally.
Ooh. AAW management, why do they want me? Hello? You know it's SP Lightning, why else would you be ringing that number? Come on bro, think about it. Yeah, I just watched the footage. Well, why did you want me to watch the match? I know what happened at the end of my match. Well, I mean, I don't remember getting speared because, you know, I was a bit injured, but look, who won the main event? Kane didn't win. Okay, so who did win? Chen. You shitting me right now? Chen won. How? He pinned Mercer. Oh my god. The guy who dressed up like a tiger and beat Lord Marshall Hanson is now AAW World Heavyweight Champion. You're just making it too easy for me, guys. Come on. Look, that's some great news. I'm gonna have a bit more fun, I think. Wow. Everyone, I've heard the news. Chen is your champion. How does that make you all feel? But it's fine, because I still have my change in the pocket. I'm still the holder of that briefcase, and I am still your future AAW champion. And now, Mr. Jake Spear yourself. Good win. I don't remember the ends, but you did alright. I'll give you that, son. I mean, you beat me. You beat me once. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean nothing. Because you still have to fight your way to the top, and I'm already there. My briefcase, you do all the hard work, so I don't have to. Enjoy, Jake. I'll see you soon, buddy.